All right, now that we've generated contours, we're going to create our own site plan. And I'm going to double check, make sure that you've got your sandbox and your location tools up. Right now, we're going to mostly just use the sandbox. Again, if you don't know where those are, they're view and then open toolbars, and you can open any of those toolbars from that view command. Right now, what I want to do is I want to create a new layer because in the stall house, have been drawing on layer 0. So I'm going to add a layer specifically called site. And I'm going to make it my active layer. I'm also going to select my contours, and I'm going to move them over to, actually, you know what? I lied. We're going to leave those on layer 0. I'm going to leave those right where they are for right now. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a sitemap just like this terrain model, but we don't want to use the terrain model in our final images because we're going to add trees and foliage and other things to the image. And what has happened now is the geolocation map has taken the site plan and draped it, what we call a drape. It's wrapped that site plan onto this morphic shape, which is a little strange. We don't actually want to use that for our shape. So we're going to turn off our location terrain. I am going to select all of the line work that we've created, and we're going to create our own contour map from contours. So I'm going to click the button on the left side from contours of the sandbox, and it now is wrapping a little bit more of a morphic shape onto our site plan. And notice we definitely have a little bit of a flatter slope at the top since we brought these two contours down just a little bit. So once we've draped our contours, we're pretty much set to start looking at pulling in this the stall house, and we're going to move that in, and we'll make it fit.